We all thought the AI race for the year 2023 had concluded, with the release of GPT-4 Turbo and GPTs in the form of agents. However, Google had different plans. While people were still grappling with GPT-4 and wrestling with GPTs, Google came out of nowhere and released Gemini, a model that is claimed to be superior to GPT-4. Gemini is a multimodal model, meaning, like GPT-4, it's trained on images, videos, and other forms of media. Gemini can understand inputs in multiple forms: text, images, audio, video, and can also create output in multiple forms. I still recall people saying ChatGPT just killed 9,000 plus startups on Dev Day. This was the story of November, but this aged like a fine wine. And did Google Gemini just kill ChatGPT? Is Google Gemini better than ChatGPT? Is Gemini the beginning of the end for OpenAI? Let's find out the answers to each of your questions. What is Google Gemini? To put it simply, Gemini is a new large language model from Google, which is of course much better and more powerful. I have posted the link of the video demonstrating the capabilities of Gemini. Gemini can take inputs from videos in real time and can generate outputs in audio or text on the go. Gemini is the first model to do better than human experts on MMLU, Massive Multitask Language Understanding. Google's Gemini model is available in 3 sizes: Nano, Pro, and Ultra. The lighter version Gemini called Nano meant to run directly on Android devices. Then, there's a stronger one called Gemini Pro that will soon be used for many Google AI services and will be the core of Bard from now on. Lastly, there's an even more powerful model, Gemini Ultra, which is the strongest large language model Google has made and we've seen so far. Let's closely look at each of them. Gemini Ultra. This is the largest and most powerful of the 3 models. It is designed for highly complex tasks, such as generating outputs in different formats. It is not currently available to the public. Gemini Pro. This is a smaller and less powerful model than the Gemini Ultra. It is designed for a wide range of tasks, including generating media in different formats, translating languages, and asking questions that help it generate better output. It is currently available in the Bard interface. Gemini Nano. This is the smallest and least powerful of the 3 models. It is designed for simple tasks, such as answering your questions in an informative way. This model will be only available for phones. All of the Gemini models are built on top of transformer decoders, which are a type of neural network that is well suited for natural language processing tasks. The models are also trained on a massive data set of text and code, which allows them to learn to perform a wide range of tasks. Here are the tables summarizing the key capabilities of these 3 models. Let's look at the potential of all Gemini models. Gemini Ultra's performance. Gemini Ultra achieves outstanding results in 30 out of 32 benchmarks, including 10 popular text and reasoning benchmarks, 9 image understanding benchmarks, 6 video understanding benchmarks, and 5 speech recognition and translation benchmarks. It's the first model to reach human expert performance on Massive Multitask Language Understanding, MMLU, a key test of knowledge and reasoning, scoring above 90%. Gemini Ultra excels not only in text but also makes significant progress in challenging multimodal reasoning tasks. Multimodal reasoning capabilities. Gemini Ultra shows impressive cross-modal reasoning abilities. It can understand and reason across sequences of audio, images, and text naturally. For example, in an educational scenario, it can interpret a physics problem drawn by a teacher, decipher messy handwriting, understand the problem, convert it to mathematical notation, identify errors in the student's solution, and provide a corrected solution. This opens up exciting possibilities for education and applications across various fields. Human preference evaluations. Human preference evaluations show that instruction-tuned Gemini Pro models provide significant improvements, including preference over other models in various capabilities such as creative writing, following instructions, and safety. These improvements contribute to a more helpful and safer user experience. Image and video understanding. Gemini excels in high-level object recognition, fine-grained transcription, chart understanding, and multimodal reasoning in image tasks. In video understanding, it achieves results in few short video captioning and 0 short video question answering tasks, demonstrating strong temporal reasoning capabilities. Image generation and modality combination. Gemini can output images without relying on intermediate descriptions, allowing it to generate images with prompts using interleaved sequences of image and text. It can also process sequences of audio and images natively, as demonstrated in a cooking scenario, showing its ability to understand and respond to multimodal inputs. Extract information from scientific literature. It can sift through vast amounts of scientific papers, summarizing key findings and extracting relevant data, significantly saving researchers time and effort. Google plans to further integrate Bard with Gemini Ultra in the upcoming year. Additionally, in the months ahead, Gemini will be incorporated into various other Google applications, such as Search, Google Ads, and the Chrome browser. On paper, Gemini beats GPT-4 in 31 out of 33 tests, but it has a lot to prove in the real world.